So here's the big question. Is saving money dead in 2026? Some people say saving is pointless now. What do you think?
I get why people say that. Prices keep rising, cash loses value, and interest rates barely beat inflation. But saying saving is dead is a misunderstanding. Saving isn't dead. The old way of saving is.
What do you mean by the old way?
I mean the idea that you can just put money in a bank account, wait 10 years, and magically become financially secure. That doesn't work anymore. But the purpose of saving, that's still essential.
Okay, so what's the real purpose then?
Savings protect you from life. That's it. Not to make you rich, not to beat inflation, just to protect you. An emergency fund isn't supposed to grow fast. It's supposed to keep you alive when something goes wrong.
But some people say, why save when everything's more expensive? Shouldn't I just invest instead?
Investing without savings is financial suicide. If you put money in investments, but you have no backup fund, one unexpected bill will force you to sell everything at a bad time. Saving comes first, so investing can work.
So saving is like the foundation of a house.
Exactly. No foundation, no house. People hate saving because it feels slow, boring, and unrewarding, but it's insurance for your future decisions.
But what about inflation? Isn't your money just losing value sitting there?
It is, and that's okay. Losing 5% to inflation is better than losing everything to an emergency. Saving isn't about maximizing growth, it's about minimizing disaster.
That's actually a good way to say it. But how much do people really need in savings?
Enough to make you feel safe. For some people, that's 1 month of expenses. For others, it's 6. The number doesn't matter as much as the feeling of stability it gives you.
And after that, investing takes over.
Yes, saving is the step that makes investing possible. Once you have your safety buffer, your extra money should start working for you through investing, building skills, creating side income, whatever path you choose.
So the problem isn't saving, the problem is people stop their financial journey at saving.
Exactly. Saving is step 1, not the finish line. The people who say saving is dead are often the ones who only save and never invest.
What about people who say, I can't save right now, life's too expensive?
Then they need saving more than ever. Saving isn't about the amount, it's the habit. Even $5 saved consistently trains your brain to plan ahead instead of reacting to every problem.
So it's a mindset shift.
Completely. Saving is about control. It's saying, I own my money doesn't own me. Even a tiny savings habit creates that control. And once you feel that power, your whole financial life changes.
So if we summarize, saving isn't dead, but saving alone is dead.
Perfectly said. Save to protect yourself, invest to grow, and combine both to build freedom. That's the real formula.
I love that. Balanced, practical, and way less stressful than trying to pick one side.
Exactly. Money isn't about extremes. It's about understanding what each tool is meant for and using them the right way.